Hello friends, my name is Dr. Balbir Kumar. I am here with multi-choice questions. So let's start. Question number 81. Why blackboard seems black? The right option is B. It does not reflect any color. Question number 82. The normal temperature of the human body is. The right option is D. 310 kelvins. Question number 83. The lowest possible temperature will be. The right option is D. minus 273 degree Celsius. Question number 84. The organization is responsible for the social audit of Manrega. The right option is D. Gram Sabha. Question number 85. Fresh evaluation of each item of expenditure in a financial year is known as. The right option is B. Zero-based budget. Question number 86. Union Public Service Commission submits its report to the President of India under article of the Constitution. The right option is C. Article 323. Question number 87. Central Vigilance Commission is a. The right option is B. Statutory body. Question number 88. Indian Finance Commission consists of a chairman and. The right option is B. 4 members. Question number 89. In which of the following years the Parliament enacted the All India Services Act? The right option is B. 1951. Question number 90. The lowest tier of local government in France is. The right option is C. Communes. Question number 91. Article 263 of Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? The right option is B. Interstate Council. Question number 92. National Institute for Transforming India, which is called Niti Aayog, is. The right option is B. Staff Agency. Question number 93. The committee made recommendations on the political rights of civil servants of United Kingdom. The right option is C. The Masterman Committee. Question number 94. The Social Welfare Board established in India. The right option is B. August 1953. Question number 95. The midday meal scheme was launched on. The right option is 15th August 1995. Question number 96. Who said bureaucratic hierarchy is the hierarchy of knowledge? The right option is D. Karl Marx. Question number 97. The Central Vigilance Commission in India got statutory status by the enactment of Central Vigilance Commission Act in the year. The right option is D. 2003. Question number 98. Ministry of Panchayati Raj was created at union level in India. The right option is A. May 2004. Question number 99. The committee recommended the establishment of ombudsman type of institution in India for the first time. The right option is C. Santhanam Committee. Question number 100. The Committee on Public Undertakings was set up in India on the recommendations of. The right option is Krishna Menon Committee. Question number 101. The institution of Lokayukt was created first in Maharashtra in the year. The right option is 1971. Question number 102. For initiating no confidence motion in Indian Lok Sabha needs support of. The right option is 50 members. Question number 103. The present Constitution of United States of America was adopted in the year. The right option is 1787. Question number 104. Civil service system in USA was created in the year. The right option is 1883. Question number 105. Administrative Staff College was established in India on the recommendations of. The right option is All India Council for Technical Education. Question number 106. Who invented X-rays? The right option is Roentgen. Question number 107. A healthy human body temperature is. The right option is B. 37 degree Celsius. Question number 108. In the year the man first time landed on the moon, the right option is 1969. Question number 109. The sunlight reaches on the surface of the earth in. The right option is about 8 minutes. Question number 110. The light from the moon to the earth's surface reaches in. The right option is 1.3 seconds. Question number 111. Who is known as father of computer? The right option is C. Charles Babbage. Question number 112. The full form of email is. The right option is electronic mail. Question number 113. AMRUT is a scheme of Government of India where R stands for. The right option is rejuvenation. Question number 114. It is getting harder to run a constitution than to frame one, said by. The right option is Woodrow Wilson. Question number 115. The Pay Commission recommended to change the category of public services in India into A, B, C, D groups. The right option is Third Pay Commission. Question number 116. The substance which used in thermometer for measuring the temperature is. The right option is B. Mercury. Question number 117. The World Consumer Right Day is observed on. The right option is C. 15th of March. Question number 118. International Women's Day is celebrated on. The right option is B. 8th of March. Question number 119. First women president of India. The right option is B. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Question number 120. National Rural Health Mission was launched in the year. The right option is C. 2005. Question number 121. International Day of Non-Violence is celebrated on. The right option is C. 2nd of October. Question number 122. The Facebook was started in the year. The right option is C. 2004. Question number 123. World Youth Skill Day is celebrated on. The right option is 15th July. Question number 124. The full form of PDF is. The right option is B. Portable document format. Question number 125. The Panchayati Raj was adopted first in India in. The right option is C. Rajasthan. Question number 126. In India, GST was started in the month of. The right option is July. Question number 127. Who is the chairman of National Institution for Transforming India? The right option is C. Prime Minister of India. Question number 128. Highest civilian award of India. The right option is B. Bharat Ratna. Question number 129. Who protect the fundamental rights of the citizens in India? The right option is Supreme Court of India. Question number 130. We celebrate on 26 January in India. The right option is Republic Day. So friends, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.